Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to do this makeup look right here. This is my all-time favorite eyeshadow look. It's the nude everyday eyeshadow look and I'm going to show you how I do it. So let's get started. Taking my Smashbox eyeshadow palette and it's in the shade Ablaze. And taking this warm brown eyeshadow, I'm going to put it in the crease of my eyes, mainly concentrating on the outer corners and slowly bringing the color in. Next, I'm taking this gorgeous rose gold eyeshadow and I'm putting it in the inner third of my eyes. And also putting it in the lower lash line, only the inner third area. Next, I'm taking this beautiful gold shade and I'm putting it in the inner corners of my eyes so that my eyes look a little bit more awake. Next, I'm taking the same brown shade that we put in the crease and I'm putting it in the lower lash line. Next, I'm taking this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal and I'm putting it in the upper lash line area, really close to my lashes. And also putting it in the waterline and the lower lash line area. Now I'm smudging it with my smudging brush to get that really smoky effect. Next, I'm curling my lashes and putting on mascara. Next, I'm taking this gorgeous lip color from Loreal and putting it all over my lips. Next, I'm taking this Miss Claire pinky mauve shade and putting it on my lips, and I'll give 5 minutes for it to set. And so my eyeshadow look is done. This is a really simple eye look and at the same time it looks gorgeous and can be done under 5 minutes. And this one is definitely my go-to eyeshadow look. I hope you like it, and if you like it, you know what to do. Please hit the like button, share it, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.